When trading the news, it's a very high impact on the movement of the currencies. It means the currencies will be very volatile at the moment that the news is released. So it can be very lucrative, but there's special techniques required for trading the news. Only practice with a demo account, and even if you're trading live, be sure to use small lot sizes because of the volatility. I'll show you how you should set up the chart, but first let me look at the news for today. And what we have is the GBP at 330. So we need to prepare, say, for example, the pound US or the pound CAD or the pound AUD or the pound Euro, the pound anything. I prefer to trade the pound Canadian dollar when trading the pound news. And when trading the news, prepare your charts 15 minutes before because it takes time to set up the charts. Wait for the news release. Do not trade before the news is released. You'll have single items and several items. When you have more than one item at the same time, be very, very careful because you're not sure which way the currency will fluctuate if you have several items released at the same time. And always use a stop loss, of course. The duration of the news impact is usually short term, only lasts a few minutes, maybe 10 or 15 minutes, sometimes longer, but generally about 10 to 15 minutes, and then you can exit the trade. So let's look at this news item that we have today. There's only one, but at 7:30 tonight there are two. Now, if one is good and one is bad, you have no idea which way the news will go. So be very, very careful with that. So let's look at how we set up the charts. You don't know which way the currency is going to go, all right? So you have to be prepared for both directions. What you do is you make a buy stop that is 20 pips above where the current price is, about 15 minutes before the news is ready to come out. And then you put a sell stop about 20 pips below where you think the price is going to go. Okay, so if the price goes down when the news comes out, your sell stop would be executed. If the price goes up when the news comes out, your sell stop will be executed. Now you can see I have a stop loss on each one of those. If it goes up but then comes back down, well, I have a sell stop to protect me. That's my buy stop, and here's my sell stop. You see I have a stop loss to protect me on that one also. If it should go down but then it turns around and goes back up very quickly, sometimes that can happen, I'll have the sell stop to protect me. But just before the news is released, you move them both so that they are about 20 pips away from the actual price. You need that because when the news comes out, you get this up and down, up and down, up and down, and you want to be far enough away so that you wait for the trend to go, and then one of your sell stop or your buy stop would be executed. That is one way to trade the news, to prepare your charts beforehand. The other way is don't have a buy stop or a sell stop. Wait for the news to be released, and then you will see the direction that the currency is going to move, and you can make your trade, either a buy or a sell. But sometimes the impact will be so big that it will move dramatically, and you will miss 30, 40, or 50 pips in the first second or two. So this is preparation for the news release before the news actually comes out. I hope that helps you. It's a very quick video on how to trade the news. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know. Okay, thank you for watching. Take care. Hope to hear from you soon.